Hello everyone. I am very sorry for not posting a video in a while, but I've been working on something very big that I'm very excited to share with you. What I've been working on is basically my own DC universe if I were to, be in charge of it. As you all know, DC recently got new people in charge and James Gunn and for life of me cannot remember the other guy's name. I apologize. But I think it's going to be very exciting and I'm excited for what DC is going to do. But I also want to talk about what I would do if I was in charge. And I thought about it and I was like, I like some of the castings they made, but there's always those characters, or I mean, sorry, those actors who I forget about, or people who I feel like could definitely do the role too. So I decided what I'm gonna do is I created basically what characters would be in each movie and put them into a vote. I've into a forms, and I'm gonna have everyone vote on who they would want. I don't know when the form will end, but essentially, people are gonna vote on who they want and we're gonna see what happens with that. So for the first movie, this is just kind of like the test run one for sure. Is the first movie I would definitely create is Superman. So in this movie, it's gonna be Superman, Lois Lane, and Jimmy Olsen. We're gonna be true to Jimmy Olsen instead of making him a military guy. He'll actually be a photographer. And then Lex Luthor is gonna be like the main villain, but he's gonna have Bizarro. So Bizarro and Lex Luthor will be the villains, and we're gonna go from there. So what I did was instead of doing something, I kind of was thinking my cast, but the problem is I know I can change it to where it doesn't happen as much, but people will vote for random people and people who don't make sense. So what I did was I chose the 10 actors I thought would best suit them. I was looking at not only was I looking at like big name actors, but I'm looking at people who are possible breakout stars, sports players, YouTubers, people that not everyone would think of, even singers. I did try to stay more in the acting range, but for smaller characters, I certainly looked elsewhere. So, with that being said, the link to Superman is in the description below. Please go and vote. I'm very excited to see who ends up winning the polls. And thank you guys for watching. I am continuing to work on the other movies now. The next one will be Batman, and then we'll go from there. Again, thank you guys so much. Vote for who you want. It's our universe. It doesn't matter what they say. Henry Cavill isn't the Superman voting. So if you want Henry Cavill, vote Henry Cavill. Doesn't I don't care what James Gunn says, obviously, because obviously I'm not in charge and he is, and there's a reason for that. But I think it's interesting to see who the audience would want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys vote and look forward to the other ones, and I will see you guys on the flip side.